been sent, hashtag ad gifted, to review. It comes in this nice box. The company reached out to me via Amazon, via Instagram, but it was ordered through Amazon. So it's a hairdryer. It's a Mini Zero hairdryer. There's the information there. Lightweight, negative ions, small size, quick drying, 1.8 metre cord, constant temperature, low noise. Oh, nearly dropped it. Obviously, I dry my hair. I didn't used to use heat on my hair. If you remember back in the day, if you joined the channel when I first started the channel back in May 2020, I had waist length hair then, and I had it cut up. Was it that summer I had it cut? So this to me now is really, really short. It's probably 3 times as short as it ever was. So it's come with the Amazon delivery. It was a next day delivery. It's really attractive. Really, really attractive. It's this lovely matte black, and it feels kind of rubberized, and oh, it's really nice to touch. So there's your ionic button. I actually don't know what that is. I never have. And then you've got your 2 speed settings, and then it looks like a freeze or a cold blow session at the end, which is always good for setting your hair when you've done it. So it's got the cable, it's got the UK plug, that's all good so far. It's got one of those little nozzles for when you blow dry. It's got 2 of those. I think this one looks a bit bigger than the other one. Oh, look at that, that's beautiful. That's like when you buy a designer handbag. Let's just have a little look inside. It's just the a card saying that they're grateful for your purchase and the customer service number, and then also a little manual just with the regular safety instructions and instructions for use in English. And then also it's got a diffuser. I have got a real natural kink in my hair, so a diffuser for me would be really handy. Let's just have a little look, try and fit this on. So that's the diffuser. Obviously you just put your hair in there, and the idea is it doesn't knock your curl about or make it kind of fuzzy. So let's see if we can get this on. If you can look up there, can you see that that's a little dent there that's not there, so that will line up with that. There we go, that was easy. You just push it in and give it a little twist. So I have not washed my hair, obviously, so I thought I'd film this bit while I'm looking all glamorous, and then I would come back to you when I've had a shower and I'm ready to dry my hair with it and see how I feel then, because some hair dryers aren't very powerful feeling, are they? So yeah, I thought I'd get this part filmed and then I'll come back. Hi, I'm back. It's actually another day, because the day that I filmed the start of this video that you've just watched, I just washed my hair. And then the hairdryer arrived. I put this little blow drying nozzle on it. Oh, now taking it off. So I didn't want to wash my hair again. I hate washing my hair. So I've washed my hair now. It's another day. That storm, what's it called? Something beginning with B. B is just hitting now. It's pouring with rain and it's blowing a hoolie. I think we've got a yellow warning for winds where I am in Berkshire. I don't know, but it's grey, it's miserable, it's cold. But I've just washed my hair and I'm going to dry it using, oops, the new dryer. It is so pretty, don't you think? I think it's really pleasing. I'm just going to fast forward through this bit because my hair's quite porous, so it stays wet for quite a while, and that would be boring for you to watch that. So I'll see you in a bit. Finished. As you can see, I don't come from the school where I blow dry my hair and section it. I just blast it till it's dry, and then I run through it with the straighteners. I was just trying to sort out this front bit of my hair. Honest to God, it's got this bizarre cowlick thing, and it just drives me crazy. I am really, really pleased with this. It's not hot to the touch. I wish I'd put a timer on to see how long that took me. It feels like it took me a lot less than it usually takes me. And what I was going to say before is, since I've had COVID and I've had like the pains in my joints, you know, my elbows, my arms and my wrists and all the rest of it, this is really comfortable for me to use. That was the thing that struck me most with it. One, it did it quick, which, you know, doing the things that make it painful was a lot lessened, but also it's, well, it is, it says mini zero hairdryer. I'm sure somewhere on here I'd read, maybe it's on the Amazon, maybe it was on the Amazon description, that it described it as a travel hairdryer. Now, I've had travel hairdryers before. I mean, admittedly, I've not probably bought one for about 15 years at least, because where I used to have my long hair, I never used to dry it. I just used to plait it up wet. But this is a lot bigger than a travel dryer I've had, yet it is light, and also it feels quite powerful. I'm really, really impressed with this. I have that hair, does anyone else have it, where you dry it and it feels hot and dry, and then when you touch it, it's still wet? And it's not even done that. I am really impressed with it. It's nice for my old creaky hands that hurt. It's a wonderful little dryer. Really, really am enjoying it. I will pop the Amazon link down below in the description, or the show more box, or whatever it's called, if you are interested in getting one. I think it would make a lovely Christmas present. I am really, really pleased with it. As you can see here, I was trying it before I put it on my hair. So this is just like a low setting. That's your high setting, and this one is a cool blow. And then you've got that ionic thing that I actually should Google it because I don't know what it is. What size nozzle did I use? There was 2 nozzles that looked like this. Just have a look. I would imagine, yeah, I put the wider on. I think they're both the same, can you see that? They're both the same fatness, but this one's wider. I'm not a hairdresser, I don't know what I'm doing with it, but I am really, really pleased with it. A criticism, I would say that the wire could be a little bit longer, might be useful, but all in all, I think it's really attractive and I'm very pleased with it. Thank you ever so much to the company who reached out to me on Instagram. I'm delighted with it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Oh, I was going to say another thing I was going to say about it. It's really quiet. Let me just put it on now, because where I was drying my hair, I would have fast forwarded it because that's boring. But listen. That's one. That's the highest blow. It's really quite quiet. I mean, it's a hairdryer here, but I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up if you found it useful. Subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you in my next video.